I have
50,000.
sought for 9,50,000
per month.
per month,
Hmm.
but paid 50,000.
Court granted 50,000. What is the salary?
He is a multi-billionaire.
The children's education is taken care of, their expenses are taken care of. These trusts are made only in respect of the grandchildren, my lord.
Spending per annum 1 crore 20 lakhs towards the education.
From his statement.
Yes.
What is your income according to you?
My lord, I have no income.
How come you're paying this loan?
Yes.
For 2 crore 50 lakhs?
I have
After 23 years of marriage,
Forgery.
after 23 of marriage, he is coming and making a false allegation wherein he has taken everything from the petitioner. First, he has transferred everything to his father, gifted everything to his father. He is staying in a villa,
even
which is measuring 11,000 square feet. To maintain that, they have to spend per month 2 lakhs rupees. He is divorced his first wife and then married the petitioner in the year 1999. Now he is planning to marry other person. Her name is called.
Where is the custody here? Not will. No, according to you, all this property is transferred to the trustee. So, because no document is filed before the court has passed this order. Even till now, it remains to be the same.
Not the common people.
How does the
Yes.
court know?
Petition is for the enhancement of the interim maintenance amount.
Hmm.
I have filed the application.
Much is granted
I have
50,000.
sought for 9,50,000
per month.
per month,
Hmm.
but paid 50,000.
Court granted 50,000. What is the salary?
He is a multi-billionaire. He is high net worth individual. He has several business organizations.
So, what is the evidence before the court? Please
I
come
have
to the order.
furnished
Come to the order.
page number.
Wife and a child is also there, or the only wife?
Wife
Wife
and
and
child.
4 children, my lord.
After
Daughter lives
after
abroad,
20
my lord. She's studying.
Hmm?
Daughter, my lord, is pursuing her master's abroad in the US. The son, my lord, is 15 years old. He's here with the mother, my lords.
With the mother.
With the mother.
Who are bearing the expenses for her education?
Yes, my lords. No, my lords, my father had created a trust, my lords, a personal trust that takes care of all their education, my lords. The children's education is taken care of, their expenses are taken care of. These trusts are made only in respect of the grandchildren, my lords. So they take care of everything there is to be done.
So mother need not pay the education expense.
No, not at all.
From how long they are separated?
My lords, from 2022 onwards, my lords, 2 years.
Who filed the MC
I have filed it, my lords. I have sought for divorce
on the ground of?
on ground of adultery and cruelty, my lords.
Hmm. Oh, please come to the order, impugn.
the conclusion of the trial court is you have not furnished the proof of the income of the
Husband.
husband. It is admitted fact that page number 76 in page
Has
76.
he filed his statement of assets and liabilities?
Yes, my lords.
both of fine.
So, what do he say?
As for asset and liability,
Where are they?
page number 99, wherein he says he has taken a loan of 2 crore 50 lakhs.
Particulars of the assets and liabilities of yours. Investment worth rupees?
15 lakhs. My lords.
Hmm.
I have 2 properties, my lords, of which one I have
How
sold.
much expenditure has been incurred on the children's maintenance, children's education, and greater separation in law? 1 lakh and 10 lakhs.
Whatever education, my lords, I did, I permitted, my lords. I'll produce the trust deeds. The will is also produced, my lords, by him.
Next,
Submission.
interest on bank deposit and FDRs, 4,000 per annum.
Per annum.
He is spending per annum 1 crore 20 lakhs towards the
See from
education.
his statement.
Yes.
From the statements, we have to see
Yes.
monthly rent 5,000, household expenditure 10,000. Children, maintenance or dependence, and so. Legal litigation 5,000, any other loan? No, what is your income according to you?
My lords, I have no income.
How come you're paying this loan?
Yes.
For 2 crore 50 lakhs?
I have repaid the loan. In fact, my lords, if my lords may permit me, my lord may kindly turn to in page 100, my lords. I have purchased, I had a property, my lords,
No, at least
Ma-
your expenditure is
Yes.
1,52,000, that is including your children's expenditure.
that is the children's expenses, my lords, which is taken care of by the trust.
Yes,
My
committed
lords,
perjury.
if I'm permitted, my lords, I shall produce the trust deeds and also,
Not that the trustees, from what that you have stated, statement of assets, present estimated market value for your properties.
yes, my lords, 1 crore 10. Now, my lords, I have sold that property in Madurai, repaid my loans over here. During the pendency of all this, that this is the development that has taken place. My lords may kindly permit me, my lords, my lord may,
Balance in your current bank account,
24,000 rupees.
26,641.
Yes.
Then what are the other material you have filed?
Yes, committed a perjury, my lord. Page number 111.
Hmm.
Yeah, before,
Then the
after
court will take
23
care
years
it
of
if it is
marriage,
perjury.
after 23 of marriage, he is coming and making a false allegation wherein he has taken everything from the petitioner. First, he has taken
We are not on that. No, we are on the maintenance.
maintenance.
Now what he has filed, showing anyhow do not match any of your number of 9,50,000, his income or whatever it is. Now, what is the material you? placed
Material,
before the
page
court?
number 111.
What is this?
That's the will
Say,
executed
will,
by my father.
I will go through the contents of the will, my lord. Shidambaram Mahalingam is the father of the
What is that
petitioner.
flows from
Petitioner,
this?
yes,
Yes.
he has transferred everything to his father, gifted everything to his father. Later on, with the help of the his family trust, he has transferred to the trust, wherein he is the beneficiary. He have all the control over the business organization and then family trust. He is enjoying. But here, and he has committed a perjury by saying he doesn't have any income, but indirectly he has a lot of income. Wherein I have furnished a memo dated.
If the property is transferred only to do, not to pay the maintenance to the wife, now.
Yes,
from a
plan, my lord.
Trust will work as per the whatever for what purpose it has been established.
Yes,
How can he withdraw the amount from the trust?
he is the beneficiary. He has a control, wherein, so here clearly says. Page
You
number
raised all
112.
these grounds
What,
before the
page
court?
number, page number what?
Have you raised all these grounds before the court?
Yes, yes.
Whatever, let us see your IA file for
Yes, ma'am.
maintenance.
Annexure D, my lords, page 64.
60?
4, my lords, in page 64.
Hmm.
I have stated in the affidavit.
My lords, may kindly see
Yeah,
64,
yeah.
my lords, before the affidavit, my lords.
So they used to live in the.
3,50,000 towards salaries, my lords.
Hmm?
3,50,000, my lords, is the claim towards salaries.
Household.
My lords, inflated, my lords.
Is not-
1,50,000 towards
My lord,
medical expenses.
My lord.
There is no
they are not a
medical
common people.
emergency. My lords, 2,50,000, my lords.
They are staying in a villa,
Even
which
today.
is measuring 11,000 square feet. To maintain that, they have to spend per month 2 lakhs rupees. From gardener to cook to.
Now, you please tell the court, basing on what you say that deceases income, not that what is happening to the trust, where that trust money would go, all those things, how can we consider it now?
My lord, he is the whole and soul of.
For that, the court has to appreciate what is the purpose and purport of the
He
trust.
has planned when he turns 60 years, he filed the divorce petition on false ground. He has planned everything and then filed. He is divorced his first wife and then he married the petitioner in the year 1999. Now he is planning to marry other person. Her name is called KP Shilpa. That's where the problem is. Coming to page number 112.
Now, looking at the will and
And
what has happened subsequently.
So we are clearly.
What is the trust? by virtue, by the trust, what are the property, what would come to the petitioner, what is it, all that you have to demonstrate.
Yes,
Just like that, looking at it, the court can't understand.
my lord, it was executed by the
Grandfather.
respondent father.
Where is the
It is
trust
still-
deed here? Not will. No, according to you, all this property is transferred to the trust.
Yes, custodian of all the documents. Yes, that's where we have in the objection also we have said same thing. He has taken everything.
That's why
Even from-
it's better
from
we look
gold,
at the,
even
that's why we better look,
even gold.
we better
which is
look at
worth
the
of-
order of the court. We can't appreciate all that in a
Here
227
clearly
expedition.
mentioned in the 113.
Let's come to the
Yeah.
page number, order.
Page number 113, my lord. Page number 113.
That will we can't consider.
Here beneficiary clearly mentioned over. The respondent is the whole and soul, he is the beneficiary. He has all the control. Why? Because we doesn't have any document, otherwise we would have proved he has taken everything from without a clue, he has planned in such a way. Even he didn't even left a SIM card, mobile SIM card also. But the property worth of more than 7 crores out of coercion he has taken. Is in the will itself. After which he gives to his father. And
So, because no document is filed before the court has passed this order. Even till now, it remains to be the same.
I have furnished the salary receipts of the gardener. And
It is not about your expenses. It is about your income.
so it is not
So
available.
when he is not paying, where from you are paying all these receipts, all these
The
amount?
trial is started. At the time of trial, we can.
Nine,
We can.
No, when he is not paying all that, you are able to pay all these maintenance to the staff. You have no income.
I've taken a loan.
my lords, when I
Taken a
paid
loan from,
9 lakhs
the
50,000, my lords, arrears, 9 lakhs 50,000 rupees check, my lords. I gave it to the petitioner. They refused to take it, my lords.
Arrears.
Arrears, they refused to take it. They said they do not want it.
No, we never said that we do not want.
Check
It
was
is a very
presented,
meager.
my lords.
So the expense
They
itself
refuse
to maintain that villa, it costs almost like a 2 lakh per month. So you're getting the 50,000.
Unfortunately, unless and until- unless and until
As
there's-
per my knowledge, that is a posh villa in the Bangalore.
It is not about you having a posh villa. It is about what is the income
It's
of
the
the
same standard
husband.
of living, my lord. They are not a common people.
How do the
Yes.
court know?
So I have, the bill is there. Bill is there, even the website, his own website says, yes, I have furnished on 24th. of
Why
June,
did
I
you
have
not bring all these things to the court's notice,
My lord,
to
no,
the trial court?
no, trial court I have furnished, all the documents I have furnished.
No, by those
Here,
documents-
very,
Can't understand from those. What is that the court can understand? By seeing the company's name, what is the income of the respondent? How will we know?
we need to furnish a balance sheet and all.
Huh?
Balance sheet of the
You should
organization.
have asked. You should have asked before the court below. Having heard the counsels on either side, per submitting on the court. The respective, both the parties are taking different stance. And ultimately, the court can only consider the evidence that is available on record. Admittedly, there is no evidence to show what is the income. Petition is taking, the wife is taking as putting forth her case, saying that he's having lot of properties. And counsel, when during the course of the hearing, submits that they will, if an opportunity is given, they will try to elicit the same. And accordingly, the court can fix the maintenance. Considering the same, the order dated 21st December 2023 is set aside and the matter is remanded back to the court below. However, till the orders are passed by the court, the husband shall continue to pay 50,000 to the wife.